Today we will prepare a square root spiral, for which what we require color papers, one white sheet, pencil, eraser, compass with pencil, scissor, scale and some glue, and then we will start doing. So what is the requirement? Color paper, white sheet, scale, compass, or you can use protector also, scissor and some glue. Hello students, let us start do some activity. In class 9 we have to study number system. In number system, one activity we have to conduct, that drawing a square root spiral of irrational numbers. So we all know that what is irrational number? Any number which is in the form of p by q is called rational number, and which number that cannot be expressed in the form of p by q is irrational number. So this is a square root spiral. In this way we can draw a square root spiral. How it is? This is the axis, then we take one unit this side, one unit this side, then perpendicular. This becomes root 2 by Pythagoras theorem. In similar way we will draw. Let us start how we will draw this one. So first we take an axis, mark it as OX. Then you set your mind that either either 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, whatever you want to take as one unit you take. So here we have taken 3 unit, 3 centimeter as one unit. So mark it as O, then A. Now let us draw perpendicular at O. So this is 60 degree, then 120 degree, then 90 degree. So we have drawn here degree. Again in this line we will take 3 centimeter from A, like this. Mark it as C and join this one. Like this. By Pythagoras theorem, if this is 90 degree, then OA square plus AC square is equals to OC square. OC square is equals to OA square plus AC square. So this is 1 square plus 1 square 2. Therefore OC is equals to root 2. So this becomes root 2. Again in the same way, let us take C as origin and then again take 90 degree from here. You can also use your protector for taking 90 degree. Here I have taken compass for this purpose. In this way we have drawn 90 degree, and this OC, that is hypotenuse, will be the axis. Again this line, let us take C to any point as 3 centimeter. What is 3 centimeter? That is 1 unit. In the beginning we have taken 1 unit is equals to 3 centimeter. In this way, this is root 2, this is, mark it D, 1 unit. So root 2 square is 2, 1 square is 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So what will be the hypotenuse? Root under 3. In this way, we can continue to draw like root 2, root 3 and so on. So if we draw, finally what we get? This root 2, then root 3, then root 4, then root 5. First we have taken 90 degree here, then again 90 degree here. Then we have to draw 90 degree on hypotenuse. This is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. So this is root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5. In this way we can also draw root 6, root 7, and likewise we can complete. Now what we have to do? We have to cut out all the triangles of different color. We have taken color paper here, so we will use different color paper to draw different triangles. Let us see how we will draw, and we will take different color and we will complete this one. So now we have cut all the triangles as shown in this figure with different color as shown here. Like this one, 1 unit, root 2 unit for this triangle only. Similarly, root 2 for this one, root 2, 1 unit, root 3. We will attach like this, root 2, then root 2 will combine with this one. Then we will take another triangle, root 3 here, root 3, root 4, 1. That means each type of triangle is cut out and each triangle is a right angle. So we will paste one after another in this way, like this. Then root 4, you must write dimension in each of the figure so that you don't mix up with the triangles, and in this way. So after completing, it will appear like this. So this is called a square root spiral. One by one we will paste them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one here. So this will complete becomes a square root spiral. So students, you can do this one at your home, and it is also creative as well as learning also.